Hi friends, in this video let us solve the signal system related question asked in GATE 2010 EC paper. The question is the IQ sampling theorem sampling rate for the signal S of t is given by dash. The signal is given as S of t sine 500 pi t divided by pi t multiplication of sine 700 pi t divided by pi t. So what is the thing? Let me consider this is one signal x1 of t. This is another signal x2 of t. So when let us assume the frequency of this one is f1 and the frequency of this one is f2. So when two signals are multiplied with the frequency f1 and f2, the sampling rate fs is given by 2 into f1 plus f2. So what about this f1? f1 is 250 Hz. What about this f1? f2 is 350 Hz. Because 500 pi is equal to 2 pi f1. f1 is equal to 250 Hz. So what is sampling rate? Sampling rate is 2 into 250 plus 350 for 1200. So the answer is 1200 Hz. Fine. Let's go and see which option is there. Yes, option C is the right answer, 1200 Hz. Thank you.